Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the second prompt on goal setting. We know that goal setting plays very important role in our career advancement. So many of us hesitate to ask about goal setting, particularly in student community. They don't go to the teachers, they don't go to the well-wishers and ask about their goals and all. And so now in the era of artificial intelligence and large language models, we no need to ask anyone about our goal setting, and just if you give a proper prompt to the large language model, and we will get a excellent guidance from the large language models like ChatGPT and Google Bard. The only thing is we have to have a best prompt with us, and we have to ask the large language model and how to use large language models effectively for the betterment of our career. Okay, here the main prompt is, what are the key milestones in achieving the goal. Here in the place of goal I have put this place blank. Here you can add a task based on your personal need or your professional need. You add the task here, the saving money, losing weight, improving skills, and you can mention specifically which skill you want to improve, and advancing in career and learning language. Here also you have to mention specifically which language you would like to learn, and reading more and traveling abroad. Here also which country you would like to travel, building networks, start a business and what type of business, and enhance health. Here also you can add about your workout schedule and everything. Run marathon and achieving balance, learn cooking and master instrument, write a book, complete course, volunteer regularly, and improve relationship, develop hobby, organize life. These are the few keywords I have provided to you. Based on your personal and professional need, you can add your own goal. Here I have already prompted this in a ChatGPT, but I have added something before that prompt. See here, I am a non-technical person. I am a teacher by profession, but I am interested in learning about large language models, particularly prompt engineering. What are the key milestones for achieving my goal of becoming a best prompt engineer? See here. So actually this is the main, as I told you, this is the main prompt. What are the key milestones for achieving my goal, becoming a best prompt engineer? And before that I have added something about myself. I am a non-technical person, I am a teacher by profession, and I am interested in learning large language models, particularly prompt engineer. If you provide this information, then large language models like ChatGPT or Google Bard can give us the exact response as per our need. If you simply write what are the key milestones for achieving my goal of becoming best prompt engineer, then the response will be different. Here you can see 2 by 2. What is this 2 by 2? Actually this is the second response I have got. The previously I have used this prompt in a different way. Actually while making this prompt there was a small mistake here. For achieving my goal of best prompt engineer, actually I would like to write here to become a best prompt engineer. So to becoming is missing here. So again I have modified, or I have iterated this prompt. See here, this is the second prompt. Then I have got this response. Then I have iterated the same prompt by changing. See here you can see becoming a best prompt engineering. I got this response. So suppose if you also wanted to become a best prompt engineer, so what are the steps you need to follow? Understanding the basics of AI and language models. So most of us are trying to copying the prompts of others and paste into the large language model. This is not the right way. Actually you have to know about large language models, how they work, and what are the rules and regulations of prompt engineering, understanding the basics of AI and language models, and exploring the prompt engineering. Next, hands-on practice. You use the same prompt that I have used and you will get this response. Hands-on practice. Engage with the AI models platforms that allows you to experiment with the different prompts. Observe how variations in your prompts lead to your different responses. As a teacher, you might also explore educational prompts that can aid in teaching and learning from community and resources. Join online communities or forums where enthusiasts and experts discuss the large language models and prompt engineering. Read articles, research papers, and case studies on prompt engineering to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. And applications in teaching and learning. Consider how you can integrate prompt engineering into your teaching practices. For instance, creating prompts that can generate educational content or aid in students' assessment. Continuous learning and experimentation. This is the most important thing. Learning continuously, continuous learning and experimentation. It makes you a better prompt engineer. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. Stay curious and open to learning. Experiment with the new ideas and approaches in prompt engineering. Attend workshops, webinars, and courses that focus on AI, machine learning, and especially on large language models. Developing a specialization and sharing knowledge and experiences is also very important. As a teacher, you have a unique opportunity to share your learning journey with your students and colleagues. Consider conducting sessions and workshops to teach others about AI and prompt engineer. Collaboration and network. Collaborating with other educators, technologists, and projects that involve prompt engineering. Networking can lead to new learning opportunities and innovative applications. Reflect and adapt. Reflect your experiences, learn from success and failures, adapt your approaches as you gain more knowledge and expertise in prompt engineering. Remember, the journey of becoming a proficient in the field like prompt engineering is an ongoing, and being an educational sector, you have unique position to both learn and teach, making your journey impactful not just for yourself but also your students and peers. Stay patient, persistent, and enjoy the learning process. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you, ChatGPT, for your wonderful reply, and I'll try to follow all the instructions I have given. Thank you dear friends, and we'll meet in the next video with a new and encouraging prompt.